shelters for survivors of this storm all over the Houston area. I mean, we got the GRB downtown, we've got the spillover at Toyota, we've got NRG Center, churches, schools.
And that's just in the heart of Houston.
Civil Center. Yeah.
That's right. And then there are all the communities that surround that are in the exact same situation. That includes Katy, our neighbors there, and that's where we find Sophia Beausoleil tonight. Sophia?
Hi, Dominique and Bill. Yeah, that's exactly right. You know, we've been talking a lot about the GRB and over there, but there's shelters everywhere. There's volunteers everywhere, including right here in Katy, the Cinco Ranch area. And tonight I have the pastor, Jerry Edmondson. He is with the fellowship. So talk about what exactly you all are doing here.
So yesterday, about 10 o'clock, our church got together and we said, so what is the greatest need that we're hearing about? And it was, we need shelter. And we thought, well, we don't really have the capacity to house people overnight, but what if we could ask people to open their homes? And so we decided that we would be the center for just sending an invitation out to the community and saying, if you can host a family, would you simply go to the website and sign up? And we've had over 320 homes that said, hey, we want to open our home to those that have been affected. Today, it's really interesting because I sent an email to some people. I said, talk about evacuees, and someone reminded me that they weren't evacuees. They're our friends and our neighbors. And that was just so powerful. And I was reminded of that every single family that's come here since noon yesterday when we opened has been our family and our friends from all over the city. And so we've had somewhere in the neighborhood of about 100 families that have come through here, and we've been able to put about 70 in homes. And so we've had a lot more homes than we've had our neighbors and friends show up, but we've been able to give them food, and we've been able to give them all kinds of supplies and be able to help them in a place to hang out. And I think one of the biggest miracles is we've had over 500 volunteers from all over the community. Yeah, from all over the community, from every church, from non-churches, I mean, it's just been a community. We've seen the heart of our community be here, and it's been an amazing thing to see all those homes open up, all the volunteers, all the generosity. Food just keeps coming in. I think I'm going to gain like 5 pounds here. So it's been an amazing thing. And so we've celebrated that. We've had great volunteers and great people. So it's been a wonderful thing. Right now, what we're recognizing is we don't have as many. It's a good thing. We don't have as many of our friends and neighbors who have been displaced. They're not coming for help. So now what we're doing is we're taking, as you can see behind me, let's take a look. So all of this is stuff that's been donated. We've had some incredible volunteers that have gone through and sorted all of these donations by size and everything. And we have clothes, we have diapers, we have pillows and blankets, we have laundry detergent, we have toilet paper, all kinds of stuff. And what we're saying is to all these families, we want you to come and shop here. Come and get what you need. Because there are many families that haven't come here, and the reality is that they left with nothing. And they're in some friend's home or they're someplace, and we're saying, you still need a baby pen, a little, pen for your kids, whatever. And you need some other things. Man, come here and get those things. These are donations from our families here. So we're just saying that's what we're focusing on, getting people here who have been displaced, who are staying with friends, but who still need stuff.
Right.
And they got a long journey ahead in terms of building their homes and getting back in. And we're like, hey, come help us.
And you've been here for many years. I remember when this church was being built when I was a kid, actually. Yeah. And just this whole area has been devastated. My mom doesn't live too far from here, and we've never seen this type of flooding. And you're absolutely right. The things that people had when they got out was basically the clothes on their back. So this is very helpful. But again, I want you to talk about those 300 homes that people have offered up to those who have lost their own homes. How do people go about signing up for that?
Yes, and so one, we're having all of the shelters refer people here. We've talked to the police and the fire department. Everybody knows that we're trying to get people into homes, and so they're bringing them here. And
so they need to come here? Do they need to go to a website or anything?
No, we're saying just come here. All the host homes go to a website and fill it out, and they say, hey, I can take somebody for 2 days, 2 weeks. I can take someone with pets. I can take up to 5 people or 10 people. Last night, our last family here that we placed had 5 kids and 4 dogs.
Oh man,
and we had a couple that said we can take them. They brought brought both their cars, loaded them up, and we were so blessed. And so last night we were able to get all of our families in homes, and today all the families that have come here that needed a home, that didn't have friends or somebody to go with, we were able to get in homes.
Fantastic.
Awesome.
Well, thank you so much, Pastor. And again, I know you said you're pretty good on when it comes to clothing and everything, correct?
Always use more volunteers.
Okay.
Yeah, always volunteers to come and help. And can I just say this? There have been in our community so many churches that we partnered with us. We have had an amazing outpouring. I want to celebrate our community and the spirit of our community and what they've done. They have just been amazing, and we're blessed. I love this city, and I mean it brings me to tears to think about how our people are suffering, but yet to see the community come out like this. I tell you, I told somebody I don't even know what I'm going to preach on Sunday. I'm probably just going to get up and talk about what God has done and weep. I think that's probably what I'm going to do.
I totally agree with you. It's very inspiring. Well, thank you so much, Pastor. I appreciate it.
Thank you so much.
And Dominique and Bill, you know, the kids have been out of school. These kids, all the kids left, but they've been working very hard, sorting all the clothes and everything. So I know, Pastor, you're very proud of all these kids from around the community who have been helping out.
And they've been back there dying to get on camera, so good job.
You're very welcome. Reporting live from Katy, Sophia Bosley, KPRC, Channel 2
You
News.
just scored some major points there, Sophia.
Thanks, Sophia. And hopefully, you know, folks who are listening who are now in other places and still need all those supplies, they'll go back to the GRB and pick it up. I mean, sorry, not GRB, where you are there in Katy.
The fellowship, right, which is at the corner of Peak and Westheimer Parkway. Perfect. And they can come here and pick up clothes. And what time does that start?
We'll be here at 7 o'clock in the morning.
Okay.
And I can tell you, one thing I want to say too, we have had first responders. We had 90 firemen from Phoenix that stayed in the Y next door. The YMCA has been a great partner, Monty Ballard YMCA. Tonight we have 30 of our guardsmen here.
Yeah,
and we've got all kinds of boats, guys that brought boats. They're staying here at the church. So we've been putting people up and feeding them as well. So we're just loving on these guys, and they're incredible. They're heroes.
Absolutely, I totally agree. Many heroes out there. Back to you guys in the studio.